How you doing, folks? It's Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a very nice 68 Firebird, numbers match, 350, 4-barrel, got 350 turbo trans. It's done in apple red, super slick paint on the car. See the front bumper's been re-chromed. Grills look real nice. Nice and straight down the sides. Got the deluxe black interior. Just a super solid car. Most original panels. Say, I really like the Firebirds over the Camaros. They're just got a little more styling to them. Very nice cars. Rear bumpers all been re-chromed. See, they got the engine compartment nicely detailed. Now this was an original AC car. They did delete the AC with a heater delete box in it. I do have all the AC components for it. And this is the original numbers match motor, been all rebuilt. It's got a nice aluminum intake, Edelbrock 4-barrel with electric choke, the heavy duty radiator. It's got power steering, power disc brakes. Just a good looking car. This is a dark red. It's not a real bright red on it. Very similar to the Bolero red. See, it's got the deluxe interior. It's original door panels. They're all in good shape. The headliner's been replaced. And seat covers all look like they've been replaced. They're the deluxe seat covers. The original steering wheel. It's got a AM/FM IPOD stereo system upgrade. Got all your front and rear seat belts. You can see how nice and clean the jams are on the car. The gentleman I got this car, he's owned it for quite a few years. He's the one that had the restoration done on the car. He did forward me a bunch of the receipts here on everything he had done to the car, the motor, paperwork on the motor. Transmission's also been gone through. See, you got the speakers mounted in the package tray like they should be. Dash is all real nice condition. Got trio gauges mounted there in the front of the console. The original center console. I tell you, I really like the deluxe interior in these cars. Fires right up. I've had the opportunity to drive this car a little bit. Sounds real good. It's got duals out the back. Got your Rev Classic wheels and BFGs. good sounding car. Just enough camshaft, make it sound good and run good. You can get in the car, drive it anywhere you want to go, enjoy it, go to your shows. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.